Hi, I'm Dr. Tsitsis, and I would love to talk to you about PRP, otherwise known as platelet-rich plasma, otherwise known as vampires. And vampire is a registered trademark used platelet-rich plasma for. And the reason why we call it the vampire is because we actually draw your blood in order to do any of the procedures that we're going to talk about. We have actually used platelets for many years in orthopedics as well as dentistry to help rebuild bone and rebuild joints and help with healing tendons and nerves. Recently, Dr. Charles Reynolds developed 6 procedures to rejuvenate faces, breasts, as well as help with sexual wellness. We draw your blood, we spin it down, then we spin it down again to get a super concentrated platelet. Well, multiple platelets. There's 1 to 6 million platelets every time we spin it down. So we're going to take your platelets and then we're going to, for the vampire facial, for example, place a mask of your platelets on your face. And then we're going to microneedle them in. So the microneedling will stimulate your cells to make new collagen. You'll get tightening because you have made channels in your skin, and you're going to get brand new skin on top. But now we have infused your platelets. And when we do that, your platelets will signal to your stem cells that don't know what they're going to be to migrate here, and they're going to become new collagen, new elastin, new skin cells. So you're going to restructure your face using your own blood. So that's called the vampire facial. We do the vampire facelift, especially in people that have a difficult time holding on to their filler. So what we do is we inject filler, and then we take the platelets and we inject the platelets right under. So as your filler breaks down over the next 1 to 2 years, your platelets ramp up and put collagen and elastin exactly where you want it. You can do it in the lips, the cheeks, the nasolabial folds, really anywhere that you want more collagen, which then leads to the vampire breast lift. So we can inject the platelets into the breast, which will lift them and can actually increase the size of your breast 1 to 2 cups. I can't promise that, but that is a potential thing to happen. The other place we can put platelets is on your head. We can grow new hair. So if you have thinning hair, the platelets will help it with regrowth and make the hair follicles thicker. So if you have thinning hair, it's a perfect opportunity to do PRP for hair restoration. If you're bald already, it's not going to help. But if you're thinning, we can thicken the follicle, help the hair be healthier, and really can rejuvenate your entire scalp. We can also inject around the urethra for women, so the platelets will make brand new pelvic floor muscle cells. So if you have stress incontinence, the platelets will make a stronger pelvic floor so you don't pee when you cough or you sneeze. The other nice thing about it, it's called the O shot. So when we do that, the platelets will also make brand new blood vessels, brand new nerve endings, so more sensitivity, better orgasms. It's a win-win. And then again, you're not peeing when you're coughing. The last place that we put it is called the Priapus shot, and we can inject penises. And the reason we do that, like I explained before, is platelets will make brand new blood vessels, brand new nerve endings, so it helps with sensitivity and orgasms. Some people also feel that they get an increase in length and girth. So that's a win-win, I think, for everybody also. And really, these procedures don't hurt. We use numbing cream for all of them. Sometimes we'll use some injectable lidocaine as well, but people say it's really very tolerable. And I've done some of these procedures myself, and I'll tell you, they're very tolerable. We were trained very, very well by some of the top people in the country. And again, as I stated before, we have a top-level centrifuge, so you know you're getting really quality treatments when you come here to RejuvenationMD.